Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn how to download and install MySQL Workbench in Windows. First, open your browser and search MySQL. Next, click on the second link MySQL. Next, click on Download, and scroll down. At bottom, click on MySQL Community Download. Next, click on MySQL Workbench. Here you can choose your operating system. We download for Windows, so I choose Windows. Then click on Download button. Next, we see two options, Login or Sign Up, but we skip this one. So, we click on No thanks, just start my downloading. At top right corner you can see my downloading start. So, my downloading completed, I click on this Setup. Then I click on Next button. Here, you change the location of your file. If you want, but I can't change. Click on Next button. Next, select Complete and click on Next button. Now, our setup ready to install, so click on Install button. It's take a little bit time, so wait few minutes. If you launch MySQL Workbench directly, then check this, otherwise uncheck. Next, click on Finish. So, here I have one MySQL connection, so I delete this one and create new collection. Next, click on this plus sign and a new window open. So, first you write your connection name, you can give any name, it's fully depend on you. Next, you cannot change the connection method, host name and port. Next, set username will be a root. Here, you can set a password if you want. Next, click on OK button. Now, your connection will be created successfully. So before opening this, first I run our XAMPP server. I start Apache and MySQL and minimize this window. Now, click on Connection. On left side you can see your schema and administration tools. So, here I have already some database. Here, you can show your table data. If you want to drop any database, then right-click on that and choose Drop Schema option. So I also delete this database. So, now I create one database using MySQL command. Next, click on this sign. For showing your database, click on this Reload button. And here you can see our database created successfully. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.